All right, guys, we're going to the Sky Ranch. The Sky Ranch. All right. So, fellas, out the back of SM City is a place called the Sky Ranch where all the kids want to go to. They got a Sky Cycle. They got the big Ferris wheel. And they have a lot of other little things that we're going to go take a look at. It's not open right now, but it's a Saturday, and I don't know why they haven't popped that thing open. Maybe it's only open in the evenings. It's been so hot. Okay, my Nitro Drift, little go-kart track down here. Really cool. It's the speedy go-karts too. It's not the slow ones, and it's a short track. So the kids gotta love that. And they ask for your height, just like all amusement parks. Nitro Drift. So I guess these things go pretty good if they drift. Yeah, you come around this thing. Prohibiting loose objects, articles such as, but not limited to, camera, hats. Guests must abide by the following rules. Must be 5 feet tall. Proper riding posture, must wear safety devices during the ride operation and good health condition. Crooks and ponytail holders. Let's say prohibited. Food, drink, pregnant. Queue line only. Guest tickets. Here's the entrance, and here is the go-karts. So, wow, those look like a lot of fun. I'll tell you the truth. Got a little roller coaster here. Not sure what the name of it is. Okay, there's a happy swing in the middle of all that. And a little roller coaster goes around it for the kids. There's a kangaroo boxing. And here's your little expression train, the expression train. You can get in there and it takes you around, driving around the whole thing. And look at that Ferris wheel, that's one amazing. And you got a merry-go-round up here. Carousel Palace is what it says. You got a little thing here for snacks. You got a mango chai. You got a hot dog place. You got, of course, that again. Looks like you got to be 5 feet to come in here and do much. So, I don't know. Some kids would be out of that. Here's a small, I think there's like 3 roller coasters. Oh, no, that's the same one over there that goes all the way around. Then this one is called the loop coaster because it goes in a loop. There's a loop over there. And some of the stuff is closed down. It's got the big Jolly Roger ship over there, man. That thing's a lot of fun. The Sky Ranch, SM City. What do you think, guys? Rip off or? Probably have some fun. Kids have some fun here. You know. It's not open yet. I don't know what time it opens, but sure there will be a sign somewhere to let me know. And we will check it out. It's an old carousel. It's the old type stuff on it. Travel scoot. I don't know what that is. Let's see right here. Maybe they say. No, there's nothing on the price. I guess you have to buy tickets for everything. There's a basketball game over there. And a little balloon thing that goes around for the kids. Really well done for them all. I mean, not a lot of rides, but yeah. Take a little bit of your Saturday or Sunday up. I'm not sure which one. And they don't have any hours though. So, here you go. Look at the Sky Ranch in Pampanga. That's what that was. And there it is. All right, guys. Thanks for your time. Y'all have a great day. Just another one of my short videos here in SM City.